Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 printer icon not showing in devices and printers. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Print Spooler Services, change startup type to automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Second method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Troubleshoot. Click Run under Printer. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.